आज हम करेंगे इवेपोरेशन। आज हम इवेपोरेशन करेंगे, फैक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग इवेपोरेशन, applications of evaporation in daily life, and difference between evaporation and boiling. Now, what is evaporation? Now, evaporation is the process of conversion of liquid into its vapor state at any temperature below the boiling point of the liquid. So what is evaporation? Evaporation is a process of conversion of liquid into its vapor state at any temperature below the boiling point of the liquid. So this process is called evaporation. Now, the particles of liquid have different amount of kinetic energy. ठीक है, जब हम liquid particles की बात करते हैं, then the particles of liquid have different amount of kinetic energy. The particles present at the surface possess higher kinetic energy as compared to those present in bulk. So these are the particles which are present at the surface. They have comparatively higher kinetic energy as compared to the particles which are present here in the bulk. So these are the particles in vapor state, and these are the particles moving towards the surface. Now the particles which are present at the surface, they possess comparatively higher kinetic energy as compared to the bulk particles. Understood? When this surface particles, it gains energy, and what will happen? The particles at the surface, they will break the attraction force with other particles and they will go into the vapor state by leaving the surface of the liquid, and this phenomena is known as evaporation. I am repeating this again. After gaining energy, the particles at the surface breaks the attraction force with the other particles. They break the attraction force with other particles. They go into the vapor state by leaving the surface of the liquid, and this phenomena is called evaporation. Now, factors affecting evaporation. Now first is surface area. Surface area. Evaporation is a surface phenomena if the surface area is increased. अगर surface area increase करेंगे, the rate of evaporation increases. ठीक है, अगर हम सरफेस एरिया बढ़ाएंगे तो इवेपोरेशन का रेट भी बढ़ जाएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन वी पुटिंग अ क्लॉथ फॉर ड्राइंग अप, वी स्प्रेड देम आउट. ठीक है, कपड़े जब सुखाते हैं तो उसको हम अच्छे से स्प्रेड करके सुखाएंगे तो क्या होगा? सरफेस एरिया इंक्रीज होगा, और जो सरफेस एरिया इंक्रीज होगा तो यू विल सी दैट रेट ऑफ इवेपोरेशन इंक्रीज and the cloth will dry up quickly. ठीक है ना? तो putting the cloth for drying up, we spread them out. Second is temperature. The rate of evaporation of a liquid increases with the rise of temperature. The rate of evaporation of a liquid increases with the rise in temperature. When we increase the temperature, more number of particles get enough kinetic energy to go into vapor state. That's why you will see that evaporation is faster on a hot dry day. ठीक है, evaporation hot dry day में faster होता है as compare to in winter और in a cloudy day. जो हम कपड़े सुखाते हैं गर्मियों में, समर्स में टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा होता है तो जल्दी सूख जाते हैं, लेकिन एज़ कम्पेयर टू इन विंटर और इन अ क्लाउडी डे. अगर आप कपड़ों को क्लाउडी डे में सुखाते हो या विंटर में सुखाते हो इतनी जल्दी नहीं सूखते. तो दिस इज़ अ गुड एग्जाम्पल दैट द रेट ऑफ इवेपोरेशन ऑफ अ लिक्विड इंक्रीजेज विद द राइज इन टेम्परेचर. थर्ड इज ह्यूमिडिटी. What is humidity? It is a amount of water vapor present in an air. It is a amount of water vapor present in air. ठीक है. What is humidity? It is the amount of water vapor present in the air. And if the amount of water vapor is already high, then the rate of evaporation decreases. ठीक है, अगर हमारे environment में water vapor already बहुत ज़्यादा है तो क्या होगा, rate of evaporation decreases. ठीक, तो we can say that rate of evaporation decreases with इंक्रीज इन ह्यूमिडिटी. ह्यूमिडिटी बढ़ेगी तो इवेपोरेशन क्या होगा, डिक्रीज होगा. ठीक है ना. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल आपने देखा होगा कि कपड़ों को अगर हम वेट सीज़न में, रेनी सीज़न में अगर हम सुखाते हैं तो वो जल्दी नहीं सूखते हैं. ठीक है ना, एज़ कम्पेयर टू ड्राई डेज. तो आप देखोगे जो रेनी सीज़न में क्या होता है, ह्यूमिडिटी ज़्यादा होती है. ह्यूमिडिटी ज़्यादा होने से इवेपोरेशन का रेट क्या हो जाता है, डिक्रीज हो जाता है. एंड ड्यू टू दिस रीज़न आवर क्लॉथ डज नॉट ड्राई अप फास्टर ऑन अ वेट रेनी डे. नेक्स्ट इज विंड स्पीड. So here our cloths dries faster on a windy day. The reason is that increase in wind speed, with the increase in the wind speed, the particles of water vapor moves away with the wind. ठीक है ना. अगर विंड की स्पीड बढ़ेगी तो जो पार्टिकल है वाटर वेपर के एयर में, दैट ऑल्सो मूव्स अवे विद द विंड एंड दस दे आर डिक्रीजिंग द अमाउंट ऑफ water vapor in the environment surrounding. in the surrounding, and in turn increasing the rate of evaporation. ठीक है, तो मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ कि जो विंड की जो स्पीड होती है विंडी डे में, when it increases, so what happens, the particles of water vapor, it moves away with the wind, and this will decrease the amount of water vapor in the surrounding, and in turn it will increase the rate of evaporation. For this reason the cloths dry up faster on a windy day. So these were the various factors affecting evaporation. Surface area increases, evaporation increases. Temperature increases, evaporation increases. Humidity increases, evaporation decreases. Humidity increases, evaporation decreases. Wind speed increases, evaporation increases. Now, application of evaporation in daily life. Daily life. So here I will give you certain examples related to application of evaporation in daily life. First is hot tea gets cool over time due to evaporation. Second, wet cloths dry in sun due to evaporation. Evaporation keeps water cool in earthen pots. Using of desert coolers or fan gives relief during hot summer season. Preparation of common salt from seawater by evaporation. These are some application related to evaporation in our daily life. Now, volatile liquid. What are volatile liquid? These are the liquids which evaporate fast. ठीक है, they evaporate very fast. Example is petroleum. Example is ether, alcohol, chloroform, etc. Understood? And a liquid having smaller latent heat of evaporation evaporates faster. ठीक है, जिन लिक्विड्स का लेटेंट हीट ऑफ वेपोराइजेशन कम होता है, दे evaporates faster. ठीक है, here in these liquids intermolecular force is weak, so they evaporate faster. ठीक है ना. तो what are volatile liquid? Liquids which evaporate fast. Examples are petroleum, ether, alcohol, chloroform, etc. These liquids, they have small latent heat of evaporation, so they evaporate faster. They have very weak intermolecular force. Such liquid is known as volatile liquids. Now next is difference between boiling and evaporation. Difference between boiling and evaporation. Boiling and evaporation. Now boiling is a bulk phenomena. पूरा लिक्विड बॉयल होगा, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट पे आएगा तभी बॉइलिंग होगा. ठीक है ना. इट इज़ अ बल्क फिनोमिना. Whereas evaporation is the surface phenomenon. कैसा फिनोमिना है? सरफेस फिनोमिना. सेकेंड, boiling occurs at a particular temperature, that is boiling point of that liquid. ठीक है, ये पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर भी होता है जिस भी लिक्विड को आप बॉयल कर रहे हो उसके बॉइलिंग पॉइंट में होगा. वेयर एज इवेपोरेशन it takes place at any temperature below liquid's boiling point. Below boiling point. Now boiling, in boiling heating take place. Heating take place during boiling. ठीक है, बॉइलिंग में क्या होता है? हीटिंग होता है. वेयर एज इन इवेपोरेशन कूलिंग takes place during evaporation. ठीक है, बॉइलिंग में क्या होता है? आपका हीटिंग होता है और इवेपोरेशन में क्या होता है? कूलिंग होता है. Now in boiling, external source of heat is required. For example, burner. Whereas for evaporation, it takes heat from the surrounding. No burner is required. Okay, so I'm explaining again. Boiling is a bulk phenomena. Evaporation, it is a surface phenomena. Boiling take place at a particular temperature of a liquid, that is boiling point, and it take place any temperature below the boiling point. Heating take place during boiling, and here cooling take place during evaporation. In boiling, external sources of heat is required, for example burner. In case of evaporation, no external source of heat is required. Takes the heat from the surrounding. Liquid takes the heat from the surrounding. No burner is required. Understood? Liquid takes the heat from the surrounding. No burner is required.